Eitan Shalom at the Body Mind Wellness Center. I am back, and the fish stew is done, and there it is, bubbling away. And let's serve that on some whole wheat pasta. Let's see if I can do a good job of getting it on the pasta so it looks nice. There we go. Get some of the sauce. Oh, that's really smells good. Gonna ladle it in on the side. So get a little bit more fish. And there we go. All right. Orange roughy. How's the light here? Orange roughy, Mediterranean style. That's terrible light. How is it over here? I guess this is the best we're going to get. And there you have it. And again, the general principle, flavor combinations, olive oil, which is a big part of the flavor, onion, celery, carrot, which gives a little bit of sweet and spice, parsley, tomato, garlic, bay leaf, oregano, paprika, salt, black pepper. I think I covered everything. So if you like this video or these videos, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel to be alerted to more cooking and dry needling and acupuncture and Chinese medicine and Ayurveda videos. And feel free to comment and ask questions. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm going to have my lunch.